thanks for the support you guys have given to our channel.
Yeah.
So actually we are making this video because we are getting a lot of queries for the itinerary, like how we can plan for the Maldives. So we are making this short video for you guys so that you can plan accordingly before landing to the Maldives and after you land to the Maldives. So let's start.
Okay. So how you can plan your Maldives trip? So just to add more things, so you should at least plan 2 to 3 months before you want to go to Maldives, because it will definitely save you a lot of cost. You can save at least 20% of your total cost if you plan in advance. So how you can plan and what should be your itinerary? So as my personal recommendation, you should at least plan for 5 to 6 days. And how you can plan? So you can plan, like if you are planning for 5 nights at Maldives, so you should plan for 3 days in public island and 2 days in private resort. Why? Because public island, that will be very much cost friendly, and your complete
All the activities, water activities, sports activities will be the cheapest in public resort as compared to the private island.
yeah. And definitely if you are planning for a budget trip, so that will definitely reduce a lot of your costs, because if you want to do lot of enjoy and you want to do some adventurous activities, then public island is the best choice, because the cost of water sports activities will be 3 times more in private resorts. And if you plan in a better way, so that will definitely save you a lot of cost. Okay. And apart from that, the public hotels, those are also very much budget
Cheaper. Yeah.
cheaper and budget friendly. That will cost you around 7 to 8 thousand per night. And as compared to the private resort, so they will cost you around that depends on your how much luxury you want. So the beach villa, they can you can start from 15,000, it will go to 50,000. And if you are planning for ocean villa over the pool, so that will be range from 25,000 to like how in which resort you want to book. Okay. So how you can plan? So you can first spend 3 nights at public island, and then followed by 2 days in private resort. Okay. And in all the water sports activities, all the adventurous activities that you can go to, that you can plan in public resort. And the rest of the things which you want to do, some relax and want to enjoy the public resort, that you can do there as well. Okay. And apart from this, you can explore public islands, and you can meet different persons of Maldives, and you can explore their cultures. Okay. And you can enjoy their food. That what you can do. And apart from that, okay, so we will recommend you 2 3 hotels in the public island. One is Arena, one is Kani, and there is Triton. So the public island name is Maafushi. So there are other islands, but they are not providing that much facilities. But Maafushi, there are many tourists are coming, so they are providing more facilities within the less cost. Okay, so I will list out a few of the public islands. One is Maafushi, there is Humhumale, there are many, but Maafushi is providing you lot of facilities, and it is budget friendly also. Okay. And
And you can do many sport activities there
yeah, like
in a very budget, in a very cheapest.
like scuba diving, you can do jet ski, you can do parasailing, you can do uh, uh, parasailing, you can do
Banana ride.
banana ride, you can do kayaking, you can do snorkeling. So they are providing different packages, and we actually booked the package for $130. So in which they covered 4 of the water sports, like parasailing, one is
Jet skiing.
scuba diving, not scuba diving, snorkeling, and kayaking. Okay, they have covered these 4, and depending on that, you can demand them, and if you are more people, so they can give you discount as well on that. And there was one more question: who can go to Maldives? So there is no age limit who can go to Maldives. So anyone can go.
Anyone can go to Maldives for a vacation and enjoy the beach, because it is just a beach like what.
Yeah, if you are aged person like 45 to 50 years, so you can like skip the scuba diving, parasailing, but yeah, you can definitely enjoy the jet ski, you can definitely enjoy the kayaking, you can definitely enjoy the snorkeling. And I actually recommend one of the thing, but if before you go to Maldives, so you can at least plan 7 to 10 days of swimming classes, because that will reduce your water fear, and you can
You can
enjoy,
enjoy more.
more there, and that will definitely add a good moments to your trip. Okay, and this is all about the public island. And how about the private resort? So there are many private resorts, but I will list you out. So some of the islands which are cost friendly, budget friendly. One is Paradise, other is Sunshyam, there is uh, Anta, Adharan, okay, and there is Santara Rajfushi. So all of these are providing you a good budget-friendly hotels. So there you can book beach villa as well as ocean villa. Okay, so the ocean villa cost will be depending on your resort which you have booked, and beach villa, and that definitely that will cost you less. But yeah, if you want to do really want to enjoy, so you should definitely book the ocean villa. And I personally recommend you the Paradise Beach Resort, because uh, as an Indian, so you want to taste the good Indian food. So in the Paradise, 90% of people, they are Indians only, and they provide you the good good kind of food like paranthas. They will provide you
Puris, aloo.
puris and paneer sabji. You will get that actually we missed in the public islands. Yeah, that's what we can say.
In private islands, you can enjoy there also, because the tides are not that much high as compared to other private resorts, because they have made the boundaries around all the villa. So you can do snorkeling there, you can enjoy in the water,
Yeah, and you can
float also, you can go underwater. The water is also very shallow, it's not very deep.
yeah, and you can book your snorkeling kit, that will cost you around $20. You can book your bicycle also, that will cost you around $10 for a day. They will provide you two cycles, and you can enjoy and explore. And Paradise is one of the biggest private resort in all of the Maldives. And also, because if you want to save the cost, so it is very near to the Male airport, so it is just 20 minutes of distance. But if you book the resort away from the Male, so you need to go by the seaplane, and seaplane will definitely increase your cost by 1,000 or $1,200. Okay, so guys, I have one more video for you, which will be covering all of the cost which I have spent in Maldives, and I will give you guarantee that by following my guidelines, so you can definitely save your cost by 25%, and you will definitely enjoy more by spending less cost. So stay tuned with our
And
channel.
for that, if you want the notification for our upcoming video, then for that you need to subscribe our channel. So without much ado, please like, comment and share with your friends, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.